Hi all, today's topic is Taylor series for the problem 2. So find the Taylor series expansion about z equal to 0 for f of z. The question has been given z divided by z plus 1 into z minus 3. First step, the denominator term. So the denominator term is nothing but z plus 1 into z minus 3 equal to 0. So z equal to minus 1 and z equal to 3. So the singular point is nothing but z equal to minus 1 and 3. So what is the meaning of this means at this point it is not an analytic. Reason because it is mentioned in the question at about z equal to 0 only we have to find expand. Okay, so at minus 1 and minus 3 it is not an analytic, it is the meaning. So now what I'm going to do, make without this point. So this is the point, x-axis, y-axis. So 1 2 somewhere 3, so minus 1 minus 2. So the point is given to be z equal to 0. So I'm going to form another circle which is a larger circle. So because I'm going to take a new circle. So it is nothing but I will use the new circle to be gamma because the same parameter I cannot take it. Gamma with center to be z equal to 0. I will remove, I will not include this. I will excluding this point. Which point? Because which is not analytic, no. So that point it's excluded. Minus 1 and 3, I'm going to remove it and form a new circle with the center z equal to 0. So when I draw, I have to remove this minus 1 and 3 and z equal to 0 means this. So I will draw a circle. So if I draw a circle, minus 1 I have to remove. So I will write it should be less than 1. So the circle will be, this is circle, this region full. So it is nothing but modulus of z is less than 1. Is less than 1, it's nothing but z equal to 0. Okay, so modulus of z is less than, the new circle will be modulus of z is less than 1 will be my new circle. So now what I have to do, I have to write a Taylor series for this using this condition. Modulus of z is less than 1. Before going with the Taylor series, I have to use a partial fraction and split the term. Then only I can write because it is 2 factor. 2 factor means 2 term will come. Okay. So 3 factor means 3 term will come in a Taylor series expansion. So if I split only, it is easy to write. First I will split using a partial fraction. We have studied the partial fraction for this, no? So using a partial fraction, first I will split it. So now if I use a partial fraction, using this condition only, I have to write a Taylor's expansion or Taylor's theorem. I have to write it. So partial fraction first I will do it. So it's nothing but z divided by the full question I will take it. Z divided by z plus 1 into z minus 3. You know the way to write the partial fraction. It is nothing but a divided by z plus 1 because it is a single term plus b divided by z minus 3. So z minus 3. So now when I write a partial fraction, z equal to a into z minus 3 plus b into z plus 1. So now what I have to do, put z equal to 3 and put z equal to minus 1, I will get the two factors. Put z equal to 3, when I put a will be cancelled, so b I will get my answer. So 3 means 4, 4b equal to, so 3. So b is nothing but 3 by 4. Okay, same way z equal to minus 1, when I put b will be cancelled a. So minus 1 means minus 4a equal to minus 1. So a I will be getting 1 by 4. So I got both the answer. Now I am able to write a split of the terms, that I will write it. So when I write it, now according to our costing will be changed to z divided by z plus 1 is our costing into z minus 3. So now it is changed to a is nothing but 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 1 divided by z plus 1, one term, plus b is nothing but, so 3 by 4 into 1 divided by z minus 3. So now I have a two term split. So now f of z, replace the costing instead of this. So replace the costing. Now this is our costing. So 1 by 4 into this z plus 1, I can write it as 1 plus z the whole power minus 1. The reason I will say plus 3 by 4 into, in this I have to write 1 plus z. So 1 plus z I have to write, it means 1 divided by z minus 3. So I have to write 1 plus means minus 3, I will take it outside. So it is 1 minus symbol will come here. So z divided by 3. So now write it that format. So when I write it, so minus 1 by 3 into this, I can write it in the numerator. It's nothing but 1 minus z by 3 the whole power minus 1. So like this use, right? Okay. So now this is our costing. Now I have to use the Taylor's expansion. So how to do it means, okay, we know that this is nothing but 1 plus x the whole power minus 1 expansion. Expand it and you can write it. Okay. So this, before applying, I have to use the condition. What is our condition? New condition. Modulus of z is less than 1 is our new condition. Okay. This only is our new condition. This, whether it's satisfied, then only I can write it in the expansion form. Whatever the condition given, that it is applicable for the given expansion, then I can write the expansion. I can expand it and write it. So I will check whether, yes, this is z. So modulus of z, when I take, it's less than 1. But I have to check for this also. Okay, whether it is satisfied or not. Okay. So now when I write it, for this I will check whether it is z divided by 3. Okay, z divided by 3 I have to make of this format. Okay, the given condition itself I have to write it. So according to that, when I write it, so it is nothing but I will do it by 3. 3 I will divide it. The given condition itself I will divide it by 3, so that I will get the same costing. So when I divide it, I will be getting 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is less than 1 only. Yes, it's satisfied. It's satisfied means it is satisfied for the first term and it is satisfied for the second term also. Same condition it should satisfy when I rearrange. Okay. So yes, it's satisfied. I can expand it. So now I will do the expansion. So when I do it, so f of z is nothing but, so 1 by 4. So this expansion, expand it, 1 plus x. 1 plus x the whole power minus 1. What is the formula? 1 minus x plus x squared minus x cube, etc. It is a binomial expansion. Same thing I am going to write. So 1 minus z plus z squared minus z cube plus z power 4, etc. Okay. So this 1 by 4, 1 by 4 in both the term it is common. Okay. So now this 1 by 4, 1 by 4 common. 3 times of this I can write it. Okay. So 3 times I can write it, or this 3 will get cancelled, minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4, only minus symbol I can use it. Okay. So 1 by 4 commonly taken. In this also 1 by 4 I have. In this also 1 by 4 I have. This term I will write it as minus half. Okay. So commonly it is taken outside. So now the second term when I write it, it's same formula, 1 minus x the whole power minus 1. X is now z by 3. Okay. So now when I write it, so same thing, 1 minus x the whole power minus 1 means every term plus. Okay. So now when I write it, 1 plus z by 3 plus z squared by 3 squared plus etc. x. Okay, now simplify it. So when I simplify it, 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. Correct? Huh? So next term minus z. So z minus 1 x z squared by 3 minus 3. Okay, so everywhere I have z square also have, and z cube also I have. 1 and minus 1 only get cancelled. So now when I simplify it, 1 by 4 as it is outside. So in z I have two terms. So minus 1 is in this 1 by 3. 1 by 3, okay, into z. Next term in this also minus 1 the whole square plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Yes, no? Yes, minus symbol here I left. Here also I should write minus symbol. So minus symbol, in this also minus symbol will come. Yes, minus symbol minus 1 by 3 the whole square into z square plus the next term same way minus 1 the whole cube minus symbol as it is 1 by 3 the whole cube into z cube plus etc. It goes on. So now I am able to write the general case. Or you have a confusion like this means, okay, so simplify it, the normal simplification you can do it, whatever the term you can take it and take a LCM, normal LCM, z you take it outside, minus 1 minus 1 by 3, simplify it, you write a general form, that is also correct only. So f of z, now I am getting to be 1 by 4 outside. So I can write it as a summation over, because every term is the same only, z power n, z squared, z cube, z power 4, etc. So it is nothing but z power n. Okay. In common terms, you check. So minus 1 power 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Same way here is at 1, no? So same way minus 1 the whole power n. Okay. So minus symbol commonly. Same way 1 divided by 3, 3 square, 3 cube. So it is 3 power n. If so, this is our final answer. It is the Taylor series expansion. You expand this, you will get one answer, that is normal simplification answer. Both will be same only. You can write it like this general case or normal simplification, you simplify it, you get one answer, terms of some series. Okay, that you write it, that is enough. That is also correct. Okay. Thank you.